tonight.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be talking about soundproofing your gaming setup. We're going to talk about some of the benefits of it, how you should do it. We're going to take a look at a couple examples of some really good designs and I guess maybe some inspiration for you when soundproofing your gaming setup. So if you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. And let's get right into this. So first up, we're going to talk about why you should soundproof your gaming setup. And as you can see, guys, in my setup right now, I don't have anything up, but that is because I'm only going to be here temporarily, and I don't want to throw up a whole bunch of stuff that I'm just going to have to take down in the not too distant future. But when I get the whole setup at my new place done, I will do a video on that, and I'll go through everything on that. So we'll have some soundproofing on there. It's going to look super cool, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, we're going to talk about why you should do it. Some of the benefits of soundproofing is, for one, it's going to give you, at the bare minimum, it's going to increase your mic and your audio I guess efficiency in your setup. So you're going to sound a lot more clean, a lot more crisp, and a lot more professional when you're gaming online, or if you're recording videos and stuff like that. For two, it creates a really cool aesthetic appeal on your gaming setup. So you, like I said, you can do multiple designs. You can, my personal favorite is when they have one entire back wall up as the gaming setup, because it creates this sort of studio atmosphere, and I really like that a lot. So those are just a couple benefits. I mean, there's really endless benefits of this, because if you're, one of those gamers that gets really loud, and maybe you have a roommate or you're living with your parents or something like that, and you're waking them up in the late hours of the night, because we all game late, this could be a good buy for you, just to kind of condense that sound, absorb some of that, so you're a little more friendly to your neighbors. That's just another thing to think about as well. So let's look at some really cool designs that I personally like that maybe might add some inspiration for you guys. So first up, we're looking at Havakari. He's from my Instagram. He's got a crazy setup, and I really love his soundproofing. As you can see, he has the Hexagon Tiles on the wall with the LED strips running through the outsides of it, which gives it some sort of a honeycomb kind of appeal, and it looks super cool and super unique. This is one of the designs that I was telling you about, how you can get really creative with it. Absolutely love this. And the best thing about this, guys, is these aren't that, it's not that hard to set this up. It's all it is just the sound hexagon and then the LED strips. That's not super expensive, and it's not hard to set up. Any of you guys can do this. We'll look at this next one here. Now, this is actually a 3D model, but as you can see next to the TV, we got these are pretty much the basic soundproofing panels. We got the black and the gray alternating, and it looks really cool the way that he has it on the sides of the TV. Now, in my personal opinion, I would think that whole wall being soundproof would look really cool, because it'd be more like a studio. But that's just me. That's another way you can design it. Or on our site, we have red and black and blue and black. So if you're interested in some of those colors, go check those out. Super great price, and you can do something similar to this, or you can get even more creative. And then here is a whole different one. So these are what I call 3D sound panels, and they kind of have these triangle things, and they really pop out of the wall. So if that's something you're interested in, you like the visual appeal of that better. These look a lot better with, in my opinion, they look a lot better in more blue themed setups, because it gives it kind of like an icy vibe, like a kind of, if that makes sense. But that's just the way I like to utilize those. And here is another great way, just a design way, how he has these are 3D sound panels, but these are just black, and they are separated a little bit. And as you can see, it really looks nice on that wall. And since they're separated, you can cover even more space with less panels. So I just wanted to throw this one in there. And then this one is very unique as well that I want to talk about. All this is they're just like the same thing as sound panels. We have these on our site as well, the 3D bricks. So you can see they cut it out and they made it look kind of like the paint, like it was a brick wall with the paint on it. I really like the design of this. It makes the setup look super cool. And like I said, these aren't expensive, and it's not hard to do. This just adds so much of a theme and so much of a personal touch to your setup. that it really makes it unique and really awesome looking. So like if that's something you're interested in as well, it gets the job done and it looks super cool. And then finally, here's another way if you're looking to some more like design inspiration. This is not a bad way to do it either. It just depends on what your personal taste is. And then I wanted to go back to have Akari set up one more time just to really appreciate his creativity at this, and I really like the way he has it all set up. So guys, I hope there was some inspiration for you. I hope you guys are considering soundproofing your setup. In my opinion, it's one of the easiest ways and the most affordable ways to really enhance the visual appeal as well as the performance of your setup, because it does add some performance in terms of your mic quality and your crispiness of the sound and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any of these products, I just opened up the shop, the Game Room shop. I will link everything down below. I did that because I was using Amazon, but now that we have the shop, we can ship internationally and reach all of our community. So that's really awesome to see. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. It goes a long way to help me out. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on future videos. I hope this video brought you some value, and I'll see you in the next one.